Yo, what's up you guys, and welcome back to yet another video. Thank you for tuning in, thank you for the likes, thank you for clicking that play button, and welcome to another amazing video here in my garage with my beautiful Corvette wrapped in Celestial Unicorn. If you don't know my name is Hussein. Well, that's my channel's name. I'm going to change actually my battery right here. By the way, this is finally washed. We'll talk about it in the end of the video. Put my phone here. We're changing my battery because I think this is actually 2 years old or 3 years old. We'll see the date on the side, and I think this is a liquid acid battery. But again, C5s, computers take a lot of juice from the battery. That's why I have a battery tender right here. And the battery tender, a lot of people asked, and a lot of people keep asking. This is the battery tender. It's a Black & Decker battery tender. This is, what is it? This plugs into the wall right here. Then there's a connector in between. It connects, see, focus camera, and this goes into the cigarette lighter, and it runs through, obviously, from the cigarette lighter right in front of the shifter. And there is a little bulge, which is cool. I don't know why Chevy did that in the door, because the wire right here, where is it at? The wire sits perfect right when you have it through. It sits perfect right in there. So when you close the door, no issues. Maybe, I'm assuming because of that battery tender thing, or maybe not, but anyway, we have that, so it's cool. So let's go ahead and take off the battery. And my new battery is, for the tools, you guys gonna need 8mm wrench and 13mm socket and an extension. So we'll go ahead and put all of these together. Bam. Kind of to do it with one hand. So these are all the tools you guys will need. Make sure the car is unlocked so it doesn't start beeping and everything. But I'm gonna start with, go ahead and moving the negative terminal right here. And you're gonna will want to set this on the side, just like that. Now, and obviously you guys gonna see right side. Hope you guys can see. Now we got the right side out. Now we're gonna move to the 13mm socket to open the bottom of the what holds the battery. So alright, now I can use my hands, just pull it out and make sure it doesn't fall down. And here is the bolt, and bam. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the battery carefully. Don't drop it in the car, obviously. Alright, let's go. There should be nothing else. There we go, and it's really heavy. Oof. And boom, there we go. Yeah, filming is not easy. This was honestly a lifesaver right here for you guys to see how the battery came out. But let's see. And you know what? It's actually in pretty good shape. Like the outside. Oh, I hear that. You hear that? Hold on, come on. I really thought this will be liquid acid, which it is now. Hear this. Hold on, hear this. Ooh, you do not, I repeat, you do not want, look at this. It's dirty under there. Thank God. Let's do an inspection really quick with the phone. Thank God this one hasn't leaked anything. Because you got all the body computer and harnesses and everything under there. Oh, you know what? I will go ahead and also clean the, if I can get to it, which I think I can, the udder right here. That will be another video. But oh boy, thank God this starts swollen from the side. Start to get a little bit swole. So that's when you want to replace it, because you really do not want any liquid in the battery, because you got the main computer of the car underneath, the main harness, the main ground. You got tens of thousands of computers, tens of thousands underneath the battery, which they are literally right there. So this was, I don't know, I'm like, you know what, it was in a good condition. Oh, it says G3, it doesn't say the year here. Right, it says G3, huh? It doesn't even see what year, it doesn't even say what year is this thing. Let's push it here in the lights. See this? G3, I don't even know. It's, I had the car for almost a year now, and yeah, this is at least 2 or 3 years old. I've got this vacuum right here, which is really cool because I can just suck up all this right here, and clean it up. Engine bay, look how clean is that. And look, it's gonna have to get all cleaned up. And I got a car show at 3 o'clock. What time is it? It's 1:30. So we're racing with time. This will take me at least, because I gotta honestly pull that too. The udder. Let's do it now actually. We'll just do the udder. Clean it up. Should be not hard, just pull it right there. You gotta pull the udder, by the way. So this is the udders. This is all the leaves and everything falls down. There is 3 on that side. I'll make another video on them, but you can see it obviously in this video. Right now I'm gonna pull it up right here, pull the udder. See, I just pulled it obviously. And then take it out and clean it and inspect. Holy cow, this is long. The other ones are like this. Ooh, I don't know. Okay, at least it's clean. There's nothing in it. The other ones are this big, but I don't know why is this like this, huh? Anyway, at least this is clean. Cause look, I keep my, but this car is 20 years old. I don't think it's been ever clean. I don't know. That's weird. That's cool that it's clean. So we're gonna go ahead and return it really quick. Just push it down to where it was. You do not want to have it. There we go. There we go. There we go. It's got to sit in the space, or there is a space where for it to sit. Hole. There is a hole where the udder sits, which is right there. So you're just gonna have to feel it with hand, and obviously connect it again. Connect the udder. Bam, just like that. See how it clicked? You guys heard it? Clicked. Back in place, back in business. It's right here if you don't see. It's right here, and there's a hole. There's a hole cut in the cowl. There's a hole cut. You will feel where the hole is. And just squeeze it and push it in and leave it. And just try to make sure it's sealed around. So I can feel right now, have my fingers around it. Bam, it's sealed, it's sitting in the proper place. See, right there. And it's not pushing or blocking anything. So that's how it sits. So let's go ahead and clean this real quick, and I'll be right with you guys. Alright, so here's what we're looking at. I put some towels, because I obviously always like work clean on my car and keep it clean. I don't want anything to drip on here when I clean and all that stuff, because I will be right back to this. I'm telling you guys, a little extra. I got this water and Simple Green, and look at this. Had these things soak. Look at that. Ew. Look at that. Keep these, making these, let them soak in here. Simple Green and a little bit of water. So when we clean them, it's easier now. Look at that. Jeez. A lot of people don't do this. They just put it back on, but I'm clean. I like my car clean, and that's what I do. If someone was doing a battery change, that would be already done. But I like the time and clean everything. We're gonna go ahead, I got the blower, we're gonna blow it out. So all the stuff that is dirty, we'll go blow it out. We'll blow the motor too once we blow this out with the air. And so it's all clean under here in this area. Alright, so I got some simple green. I'm gonna go ahead and just soak that area. The battery base. Alright, we'll let it soak for a bit, then I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down. Wipe it down, and there, everything. Look at that. Look at that. It's not been done for years. I mean, look at the difference already. Look at that. But cleaning my battery terminal as well, because it was really bad too. You guys, flashlight on. Let me, because we don't have this light on the hood, but let me show you how it turned out. And wow, look how clean the corners and how it turned out. Way better. Look at that. All around. Way better. Super clean. And definitely worth the time cleaning it. Clean the what is it? The terminals too. Look how clean they look. Wow. Not sponsored by Optima. Excuse the planes. Oh my god, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look how big is this thing. Holy cow. Oh, right over my house. How sick is this? Right over the vet. Because I live next to a base right here, Air Force Base. But this is what you want. Non-spillable batteries. Optima Battery. This is all the specs right here. The camera can focus, bam. It's all, you can pause it, screenshot it. It's all the specs you want. And it is 7525, that's the model number for the Corvette. 3-year free replacement with proof of purchase, which I do have, because I do have the box. And the receipt from Amazon, that's what I got it from. And these are one of the best batteries out there. I had one in my last Corvette. Let's open it really quick and show you guys. And the packaging is amazing. Which this is cool because you got the two battery terminals up there. You can connect them on the regular car, and obviously this is what I'm using for the vet. See, this just gets pulled out like that for the terminal to use. But let me go ahead and clean it up because it's a little dusty, and I will be right with you guys. And voila, dropped it in. Bam, there we go. Easy peasy. Lower this down real quick. We'll go ahead and take these covers out for the terminal. Be careful, don't drop them. Cover one and cover two. All right, look how clean, or way better. Now they're soaked in simple green and water. Look how clean is that. You guys remember when I pulled it up? Reverse the video if you see how when I pulled them out. Got it down, set it down. I don't think it really matters any side, but let me go ahead and tighten the bolts real quick. And boom, bam. That's it. Tight it is. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and check if there is any movement. Left and right, up and down, to the side. It's not gonna move at all. And there we go. Just don't make, don't over tighten the terminals. Now it's for the red one. I hope you guys can see. The last one, two, bam. It's tight, and let me take you guys off the tripod. And I like my battery terminals to be straight down. See? Like that. Just an LCD thing. I don't like them to the side, this way, or this way, or this way. So, going down. Light is on. Let me see if we got juice. And by the way, obviously the car is not going to be faster, but this is a brand new battery, and the C5 electronics going to just eat from these batteries. Once the electronics are in their best, oh, we got noise. Once the electronics are, I'm not gonna start it now, I'm gonna start it in a second. Woohoo. Okay, we got power, that's good. So, there we go. Because the electronics of Corvettes just take juice. And now you got a brand new juice, so it's gonna feel even more alive with a brand new battery. It just protects everything. So this the corner, you're just gonna go in and push it from the corner. And gonna go in and line it up with that. Really easy to install. Pretty simple. But actually, let me get my lights out, the sensor, so I can open the lights under the hood. So we're just gonna go ahead and push, boom, until it sits. Just push on every corner. There we go. And we're gonna go ahead, take the seal, just slide it on. All around, and voila, we are back. Like, you gotta have this like this, so when I open it from far, this is the sensor. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to clean the udder. Take the time to do it. I appreciate you guys watching. Drop me a thumbs up on this video, comment something. It was pretty easy experience, or pretty easy thing to do. Share my videos on other Corvette forums or videos or people you know. It really helps me out, helps the channel when you subscribe. It's free, turn on notification, and get other projects going on here. Other than that, I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.